Indian truckers in the United States are now under the biggest spotlights of their career. You're watching Times XP. I am Dhriti Yatri, and I'm saying this not because of mistakes, not because of accidents, but because the US government is cracking down hard on commercial driver's license training provider. And the ripple effects, it's massive. Nearly 3,000 driving schools may lose certification. Thousands more, they are being warned, and this could directly affect over 1.5 lakh Punjabi and Sikh truck drivers who keep America's highways moving. Here's the story from India perspective, ladies and gentlemen. These truckers, they are sons, they are daughters of Punjab, Haryana, and other Indian states. They left home for the US seeking for better lives, education for their children, a chance to succeed. They learn the hardest way, long hours, tough conditions, endless miles. And now their livelihood are all of a sudden at risk. You know what is happening in the US right now? So, the Department of Transportation says that thousands of CDL training providers, they are non-compliant. Some fail to meet the required curriculum, some allegedly falsified records. Some didn't have qualified instructors, and the government's message, it's kind of harsh but very clear. If you can't follow the rules, you have no place in training America's commercial drivers. Now, for Indian truckers, this is more than rule. This is their future on the road, their income, and even the money that they sent back home to their families in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, and beyond. But aren't you wondering why Punjabi truckers could face the most scrutiny here? So the reason is the number. According to North American Punjabi Trucker Association, over 150,000 Sikh truckers drive in the US. 40% of truckers on the West Coast are Punjabi, 20% nationwide. Now, if their training providers are blacklisted, many drivers could face extra checks, audit, or even temporary loss of their license. Now, imagine leaving home for decades of hard work only to face uncertainty because your training school is under investigation. And what's the government saying now? Well, the US Transportation Secretary, Sean Duffy, is calling it a crackdown on negligence. In the past also, two Indian truckers, they caused a fatal accident because of their mistakes, and because of that, many Americans lost their lives. Now here the Trump administration claims that previous rules allowed unqualified drivers to flood the roads. This endangered the life. Now they are enforcing stricter accountability, and for the Indian truckers, this means every move matters. Every document matters, every ride matters. The reality for Indian diaspora is this, ladies and gentlemen. Thousands of families in Punjab and other states also, they depend on this work for survival. They send money for education, marriages, healthcare, daily life. Now the question is, will America's crackdown hurt Indian livelihood? Or will it only target the corrupt training provider? The anxiety is real and the stakes are high. The crackdown has begun. Training schools have 30 days to prove their compliance. If they fail, they will be removed from the registry. They cannot train the drivers. Their current students will be notified, and for the Indian truckers, this is a race against time. One misstep, one missing document, and years of hard work could be in jeopardy. For India, this is more than just news. Well, it's a warning. A warning for every single migrant worker who came to the US seeking a better life. It's a story about resistance, it's a story about risk, and the challenges of living and working abroad. The highways of America may be long and wide, but right now they are under the harshest scrutiny ever, and the Indian truckers are feeling the pressure.